In this video, you will learn how to install the file called libOpenCL.so on an Ubuntu system. This file is used when you want to run programs that need OpenCL. OpenCL lets your software use your computer's GPU to do more work in less time. First, open your terminal. You can do this by pressing Ctrl, Alt, and T together on your keyboard. Now you need to install something called ocl-icd. This is a package that gives you the OpenCL library. In the terminal, type this command, sudo apt-update. This updates the list of packages on your system. Now install the package with this command, sudo apt install ocl-icd-opencl-dev. Type your password if asked. Then press enter. This will install libOpenCL.so and other needed files. After it finishes, check if the library is installed. Type ls/usr/lib/x86_64-linux-gnu/libOpenCL.so*. If you see one or more files listed, it means the installation worked. If you want to test OpenCL, you can also install a tool called clinfo. To do that, type sudo apt install clinfo. Then type clinfo. This shows details about your OpenCL devices. If you see information about a GPU or CPU, then OpenCL is working. That's it. You have now installed libOpenCL.so on Ubuntu. Thanks for watching.